Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you one tool that we can use in teaching, and we can use that for our pre-class activity or post-class activity, or also during our class work. So it is a Google tool and it is freely available. So I will share my screen with you so that I can show how it works. So I hope my screen is visible to you. Okay. So this is what a Jamboard looks like. The tool that I'm going to show you today is Jamboard. So it looks like this. So it is a board. Jam is a board, and on which I can put sticky notes. I can write on it. I can also add some pictures, and of course I can put a background to that. And while making this Jamboard, I can share it with my students so that they can also contribute. So this is basically a tool, experiential learning, or maybe learning through contribution. So now I will tell you how to make a Jamboard. So we have to go to Google and click on these 9 dots which are present on the right hand side top corner. So when I click on these dots, I will go on looking for Jamboard. So here it is. I will click on Jamboard. So initially there would be a clear slide present on which I can put my sticky notes or pictures. So these are the few Jamboards that some are made by me and some are shared with me from my colleagues. So if you see the plus sign which is present at the bottom of right hand side corner, I will click on this and it will take me to a new Jamboard. So this is Untitled Jamboard. I can rename it as per my topic. So there is an option for rename, and I can also select background. So I could take a lighter one or a dark one. So accordingly I can select a background. Then there is option for pen, with the help of which I can write on it. Then if I don't want that, I can erase it. Then there is an option which I frequently use, is sticky notes. So you can write anything on the sticky notes. You can give instructions, or student can write their answers on sticky notes, and they can stick it anywhere on the board. If you click on the 3 dots, the sticky note will get edited. You can duplicate it or you can also delete it. So I can put multiple sticky notes. I can give different color to it. So I will put 1, 2 or 3 or as much as sticky notes that I want on this board. But the size of the board is limited. So I can change the size of sticky note. I can make it large or I can keep it small like this. I have also option of uploading a picture. So if I click on the picture sign, then I can upload picture. I can get image from Google search or Drive, and I can put it on my Jamboard. I can also use highlighter while explaining or while discussing with student with this Jam. So I hope you could use this Jamboard in your lessons. And the most important is this option that is present on the right hand side top, that is share. So I can share this with my students by sharing the link or by adding their email ID. Of course, I have to change settings to can edit, and then they can edit to this Jamboard. So this is a very, I find it very interesting and a simple tool to use while teaching. So now I will stop sharing my screen and I will come back to webinar. So I hope you could see how I made the Jamboard.